Hi, today we're going to explain how to convert between numeric systems with a CASIO graphics calculator. We want to convert from decimal to hexadecimal, from hexadecimal to binary, octal, etc. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the first menu, number 1, and we normally enter into this mode. What we're going to change is the mode. We're going to click on Shift and the menu, which is as you see above it, it means that you're selecting the setup option. And you go down one option and you see comp is the calculating mode. That's the one you normally use. And then you can choose the system in which you're going to operate more. So if you're going to use the decimal system more, you're going to select DEC. If you're going to use the hexadecimal, the EX, etc. I'm going to choose first the decimal so that you can see it. Okay, so how do we convert numbers when we're in this mode? I can enter any decimal number and click on display and select the numeric system I want to display it on, and it will show me that number in that system. For example, hexadecimal, that's the number. Okay, if I want to see it in binary, that's the number. Okay, so that's by entering the number in decimal as I'm in this decimal mode. What if I want to select the number which is not from that system? Or I can just click here on the O, select the system in which I'm going to write the number. For example, hexadecimal, select, write down the number. Another tip is that if you were going to write letters, don't choose the option alpha and the letter, because that will write, as you see, the letter in non-bold, and you have to write it just by clicking, for example, the tan option if I want the F, and that will write it in a bold option. That's the one I know it's correct. So if I want to convert the hexadecimal number for F, as I'm in the decimal system, if I wanted to convert it to decimal, I just click on enter and it will do it. But if I want to write that number, the hexadecimal number for F, into another numeric system, I'll just click again on display, and for example I want it in octal, and I'll choose that. Okay, so you see a trend here. If you want to convert it into the system you just click enter. If you want to write the numbers in the system you just write them down. If not, you have to do a prefix, write a prefix, and write the system in which you are. So we're going to change the mode into, for example, the binary system. So if I want to convert a number from another system into the binary system, if I'm in the binary mode, I'll just select the system, decimal for example, 159, and I'll just click on enter and it will convert it into the binary because I'm in the binary system. If I want to convert that same number into another system, not the one I'm in, I'll just click on display, hexadecimal system, and it'll display the mode. Okay, if I want to convert, for example, from the hexadecimal 9F, as we see, 9F, into the decimal system, into the binary system, sorry, well, I'll just click here. As you see, that's the same number there. If I want to convert from the hexadecimal 9F, if I wanted to convert it into another system, I'll click on display, and I'll just say, for example, I want to convert it into the decimal, and I will change. So it's really very easy as long as you understand how the modes work. If I want to write the system, I'll use a prefix. If it's not the system in which I'm in. If I want to display it into another, I'll click on display after writing the number. And if I want to convert it into the system I'm in, I'll just write click on enter.